Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your credit card statement notifications in USPS. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official USPS website. Once the site loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password in the login fields. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. After logging in, navigate to the Account Summary section from your dashboard. Scroll down to find the Notifications or Email Preferences option. Click on the Notifications link. In the Notifications section, locate the Credit Card Statement Notifications option. Select the checkbox to enable these notifications. Next, choose your preferred method of receiving notifications, either via email or SMS. If you select email, ensure that your email address is accurate and up to date. If opting for SMS, enter your mobile phone number in the provided field. Once you have made your selections, look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click on Save Changes to apply your preferences. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your notifications have been successfully configured. Log out of your account to ensure your changes are secure. You have now successfully configured your credit card statement notifications in USPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.